Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now imagine a microwave, its insides marred by the remnants of 1,000 quick meals. Does it sound familiar? Here's a quick trick to make it shine like new again. First, grab a bowl and fill it with water. Add a couple of fresh lemon slices or a splash of vinegar. Now place this bowl in your microwave. Heat it up for a couple of minutes. The steam will work its magic, loosening the hardened food and stubborn stains. Once done, carefully remove the hot bowl. Now, just take a cloth and wipe the inside of your microwave. You'll notice the grime coming off easily. And voila, your microwave is as good as new. This simple yet effective method not only cleans but also deodorizes appliance. Remember this trick the next time your microwave looks like a battlefield. No harsh chemicals, no intense scrubbing, just a bowl of water, a slice of lemon or a dash of vinegar, and a few minutes of your time. Stay tuned for more such handy tips and tricks.